Hello. Hello.
Hello, annyeonghaseyo. Oh. Sawadika.
Sawadika. Shenshi,
Sawadika.
Shenina ha.
Sawadika. So that's
Ano, we're heading there.
we're heading there through walking. We're gonna use a cab because it's too
Gasto.
And also the distance between our school, Alabang City Senior High School and the State College is only
a little.
a kilometer away. Oh, kilometer away.
And also, we are not kasigo sa pedicab.
Yes, because we are so big.
Yes.
We're using our 2 feet,
Yes.
the 1 foot,
Yes.
another
And
1 foot.
Left and the right. And the right and the left.
Yes, and each foot have 5
Toes.
toes,
5 fingers.
5 fingers.
Come on. And it is so fun. It is so fun.
It is manageable.
Yes,
Manageable. Right side.
Turning right side, and that's the way. That's to the DNSC, and it's so much
So
near.
we almost accomplished our mission.
Yes.
Our goal for today's
Today's adventure.
Yes, for today's adventure. We're
Yes.
almost there.
And
Guys, say hello to our vlog. Are we almost there? Are we?
Ay.
So guys,
Let's walk and walk together.
yeah. Together we
And-
walk, together we fall.
And
Together we reach our destination. The
yes,
destination towards our goal. Oh! Alright, girls.
and they're going to ano already, and they're headed to ano already. At the NSC, they're using a cub and a pedicab.
Yes,
Ah,
we're almost there now. Oh my god. Where are we now?
where are you
Decisioning
now? I'm on a gym.
So upside down and inside of me.
I'm fading. Wow, we're getting.
Wow! Oh my god.
We're getting near. But Laika and Hakik are much nearer than us because they are
walk
far
faster.
away from us already.
They walk so fast.
Yes,
Like they have 4 legs.
like I have 2 legs, the head and the nose.
Oh. Ooh, look at
Oh look! Oh look!
What is this? A house?
Maybe a house, perhaps,
Yeah, it is.
or a
house.
company.
Because there's Asian clothes.
Yes. The weather is so
Oh my god,
bright.
we're almost at the gate
So
where we are gonna go through
Yes.
so that we can get inside.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh yes.
Oh,
All right.
yes. All right. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Dami yung grrr.
Okay.
Okay. Ang grrr.
Okay. Darasa na tayo. So, Miss Bernadette, what can you say about us vlogging right now?
What I can say is that the adventure is so exciting
Why is it exciting?
because even though the weather is hot and we almost arrived at our destination.
Yeah,
That's why
I agree
it's
to that.
exciting to see what will happen later.
Indeed,
So
indeed.
watch out for more videos. Like and
Subscribe.
don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates and more upcoming
Whoa,
videos.
you memorize it so well, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Seems like we're going to have much subscribers right now because of the way you say it.
We're almost hit the 1 million subscribers.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
For our next video, we're gonna show you our new silver button panda headband
And
and wearing a Caster shirt,
yeah.
Iron Eagle shirt.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what's
Yeah.
next?
Woo.
What's next?
We're getting near and near, day by day, hours and
Oh my
hours,
God.
minutes and minutes.
So tiring.
Hi, Laika.
Hi.
Hi.
Yo.
Tama na ni
Why are
oy.
you stressing?
Hi. Where are
Hello,
we now?
so we are now arrived at the Davao del Norte State College, and we're still outside of the gym because the aircon are still not on. It's
Yes,
still off.
yes, yes, yes. What she said.
She said.
Go! Let's dance, 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 in my hands, dance. Ipakita ang ano, ang pigtails.
I know, yung mura nagpala triyo.
Go, go, go.
Yun, ulam na.
Dance, last na last. Dance, dance, dance. Katuanan niya, katuanan. Dance.
Ano piano organ? Ano kaya yun?
Hello.
Okay, hello. We are now inside the Davao del Norte State College gym and mini gym. Ano sa rin? Sports gym
Ay, gym.
building
Court.
court gym, and it is so loud here because
Unexpected.
yes, as expected, and that's nice for an extrovert person. But I am not an extrovert person.
Okay.
That's why I'm gonna keep quiet later, unless the performance will be amazing and astonishing. Astonishing. I'm done.
Okay.